talk to us about what is worship.
You don't really want to give me time about worship, because
I've done it now, too late.
Because worship for me, and I know this is instruction from Yahuwah, is to joy in Him. We've already used these words, to delight in Yahuwah, because He is the one who has given us life. We give back to Him what He has given to us. We give Him everything, all our worth, all our life. Today, I have given my children, my family, my money, my everything, my all. Now, it's Yah that gave me the strength to do the works that I did for the 5 days this week. It is Yah who has given us life today to come and to reckon. He's given us the mind, the conscience, the liberty to remember that this day is the significant day of all the week. It is the best. When you start talking to me about worship, I live it. And I'm not bragging and I'm not boasting. Yah has ordained me. Yah has ordained all of us, the whole of creation, not just Shabbat keepers. He's ordained all of us to keep His day holy and to worship Him throughout the week. This is what I do, brethren. I'm just going to keep this short because, like I said, if you give me time to talk about worship, I will go on. Because I love Yah. Because He first loved me. He's given me life, brethren. He sent His own self in the form of Yahushua HaMashiach to die upon the tree to save me, a wretch like me. I was a wretch, but He has transformed my whole life. I haven't arrived, brethren. I am not perfected yet, but I worship with all that I got within me. I give it back to Yah because it belongs to Him. All the glory, all the honor, all the power, all the majesty, all the sovereignty, the esteem. I could go on, brethren. I love Yah and I give Him everything. So when you see me getting loud upstairs, don't be worried. I haven't gone insane. It's because I love Yah and I gotta give Him everything. I can't keep silent. I gotta worship Yah because He deserves it. Thank you for listening, brethren. You worship Him the same way and you see the rewards. He rewards everything that we do. Hallelujah.